Hello, this is Sarah with Ryan SEO and Digital Marketing. I know you're busy, so I don't want to take up too much of your time. This is a marketing audit to show you how to get more traffic to your website and to get you on the first page of Google. I'll go over 3 helpful tricks to get you there. The first thing we're going to look at is content. Google likes to see around 1,500 words on the home page, and your page is at 1,631, which is really good. Another great tip is having your image names saved as keywords. This will actually help you rank for more keywords. Let's take a look at ChemDry. They are #1 organically for Edmond Carpet Cleaning Company. They only have 960 words on their homepage, and they also don't have their image names saved as keywords. So 2 great ways to get ahead of them is adding more keyword-enriched content and having those images saved as keywords. The next thing we're going to talk about are backlinks. We use a tool called Ahrefs to track our trust flow, our power flow, our backlinks, organic keywords, and organic traffic. We like to see our trust and our power in a ratio of 1, so 16 and 16 out of 100. You get your trust and your power from these 2 backlinks. Currently, your website has 6 organic keywords, which isn't bringing anybody to your website. This is ChemDry. They're currently sitting at a 28 trust and a 6 power, and they're getting this trust and power from these 537 backlinks. Now we can actually go in there and take the good backlinks and leave the bad ones behind. Their website currently has 890 organic keywords, which is bringing them 349 people to their site every month. The next thing we're going to talk about are citations. Now, a citation is anytime your business name, phone number, or address appear on another website such as Facebook, YouTube, Yelp, Yellow Pages, websites like that. You're currently sitting at 5 citations, whereas ChemDry is sitting at 31. And these contribute to your Google My Business. Citations aren't hard to get, they're just time consuming. You can find your Google My Business inside the map pack. They're fairly easy to rank and not super difficult to put together. You can either go with this information I have provided you today and do this on your own, and I am totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time and money, you can give me a call at 405-439-7951. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.